Today I have a very unique robot for you guys, which I have been working on since 1 to 2 months, but I was not profitable. So let's first talk about the failures. तो यहाँ पर अगर मैं आपको अपनी रिसाइकल बिन दिखाऊं तो ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ पर 172 आइटम्स हैं. If we divide this number by 2, so we get almost 80 to 85. So as you can see यहाँ पर मैं 80 to 85 times फेल होता रहा, and all the strategies I used and tested this bot were not profitable. Okay, as you guys can see, these strategies are not profitable, but finally I found a strategy that was working on a bot. Okay, so this was the first try and this was profitable. I mean, this was almost 87th try and this was profitable, but there was some things जो इस bot में missing थी. So then I also remodified it, and this is the final bot we have, and I assure you this is a profitable thing. So let's go ahead and open my MT5, और यहाँ पर मैं MT5 पे आपको इस bot को live back test करके दिखाने वाला हूँ. You guys can see this is the bot Onyx by Undefeated FX final. So now I am going in strategy tester mode. So यहाँ पर Onyx by Undefeated FX, this is the bot, and I am going to be using it on Euro USD M5. Okay, the inputs are all defaults. सिर्फ यहाँ पर मैंने रिस्क इन परसेंटेज पर ट्रेड को 1% से 4% पे चेंज किया. ओके, so I am going to be testing this bot from 1 January 2025 to 1 June 2025. Almost 6 months का data है. ठीक है, so I am going to run this bot now. The initial deposit is $500. Okay, so I am going to start this, and as you guys can see, this bot is testing my strategy on the last 6 months data. And here's the result. I'm going to show you the stats of this bot. So first of all, अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें तो इस bot का profit factor almost 1.93 है. ठीक है, which is a very very good profit factor. And in 6 months our total net profit was $855. Okay, and the win rate, short trades का जो win rate है हमारे पास वो almost 89% है, और long trades का win rate इस bot का 81% है. And if I show you the graph, so as you guys can see, the graph of this bot is steadily pointing upwards. यहाँ पर हमारे पास थोड़े से drawdowns आते हैं. This is $1,250 is our balance, and यहाँ पर जो drawdown है वो almost $150 का है. ठीक है, the max drawdown was almost $155, but it was also after a huge profit. So I have really worked hard on this bot, and I am not going to be giving this away for free. You guys can understand. But guys, I am only using this bot on Euro USD. I have tested this bot on gold and Bitcoin, but it was not profitable. The only things this bot is profitable on is USD JPY, GBP USD and Euro USD. इन तीन मेजर फॉरेक्स पेयर्स पे मैंने इसको टेस्ट किया, एंड इट वाज very very profitable and the results were very good. These are the results of the back testing. You guys can see, and this is the graph. So if you guys need this bot, you can contact me.